Shit, I might die to poison.
A team wipe mishap for the Kingfish.
We got it.
They're definitely a fish out of water.
There's a guy trying to hit me with
Whoa! Damn.
Oh, we almost have it.
He's still down there. There's still a heavy down there.
Just make sure they don't touch it, because it pauses the timer. Okay, we got it.
Nice.
It's in. The retros make a
No!
No!
I had a plan. I was gonna pick you up and slide under there like fucking Tom Clancy. I don't know. That's yeah. Listen, I turn corners. I see people. I shoot. 90% of the time, it won't hit a teammate. The other 10% is super unfortunate.
A majestic move from the Kingfish as they start to open
Oh,
vault
it's
2.
the other side of the map, dude.
Oh, you can dash in the air with this?
Yeah.
Okay, Detroit Cop. Rip. I just stole it? I'm going to cash out A.
Watch out.
Dude, this is annoying.
I'm at A. Oh, there you are.
Upstairs we go.
Cash out in progress thanks to the retros.
This is a spicy spot, by the way.
Yep. I like to hang out like away from it, you know?
That makes sense.
Guy coming up.
You drop back down. He's so fast.
Oh, he's almost dead.
Guy's coming up here. Oh, he murdered me? I think he's hacking.
Another guy coming up.
You have a water cooler meeting?
Mix up their strategies to win.
Oh my
I got
god.
double teamed? Wow, I got fucking pincered there.
Yeah, Ven absolutely clapped cheeks.
I have to go for the objective
Things
here.
about to get downright
God damn it.
devastating in the arena, as any damage is about to be magnified, amplified, and intensified.
I'm right here actually.
Mega damage fucked me. He tore through me like I was paper, dude.
Mega damage my fucking ball sack. What was that?
A steal by the tough shells. I must admit.
I have a
like to see
meeting where the
strong
boss is going to try and
offensive
convince me to
pushes in the
convince our
arena.
customers to change a process. It like, is it changing it for like the better or is it for? You just
This
yeah,
one
you
said
just
just
let
for
go,
fun.
just let go, just let go. I did the same thing the first time I used it to res Ven. I just
was
stood
so
there with it.
confused.
Still active, and
You can do
there's
it
already enough
really
digital
fast
debris
if
in the
you,
arena to make you think
know
about
how
Yeah,
to-
so
how
it
Vandals
it
got
reses
loose
and it
out
reses with like 40% HP or something.
Gotcha.
Wow.
Just fucking holding it there like an idiot.
Oh man, that's okay. I did the exact same thing. Ben, just group res us if you could. Oh man, they're gonna get this cash out.
Don't sprint off by yourself.
Super move by the Kingfish. Cash out complete.
I mean, this guy has to die, right?
Whoa!
There's a new vault to fight for in the arena.
Fuck.
A button for this. Problem stuck.
That's a blow to the Kingfish. Team wiped.
I guess the competition didn't have bigger fish to fry after all, Scotty.
Holy shit!
The lack of
stuck.
regulations on damage might have got a bit out
I
of hand
fucking
there,
love this
Scotty.
RPG,
We're now
dude.
back to normal damage.
How do you get up there? Can I like, dash up?
Three is
Nope.
being unlocked by the tough shells.
Oh, I'm just gonna use this thing. Just kidding, I'm not, I guess.
Stand clear.
Damn. There's a guy from the orange team in there. He's got like.
Bro, this is so annoying. You literally can't get in there. It's impossible. I don't know why they would make something that's impossible to get.
Sai, have you ever seen the movie Gamer? That's what this is.
Okay. No, don't. Oh, no. Oh, God.
Play so far.
Yeah, the defib was the
dedication
call
of our
there.
sponsors is clear, and it would be interesting to know how it impacts the competition.
Right next to you.
Where'd he go? Where'd these?
Jumps.
The last member of the Tough Shells needs to be a tough egg to crack, right, Namatama? Haha.
Oh, God. I'm gonna go to, oh, God. I'm gonna go to D.
Remember, Meta, you're a lot faster than us.
Yep. I know. I just want to get there and drop it off. Hello?
On the roof. I like how there's a perfectly convenient
Peace,
zip line.
love, and a cash box for the retros,
Oh, that's perfect.
as they have started a cash out.
They are absolutely gonna blow this place up.
Oh, 1000%. I can't wait.
I'm
Can
setting
you
up some
explain the
cover on
lore?
roof.
Sai, how much lore do you think I can explain in any game? For money. There was a drop down? Wait, in that map that I was just in, Mel?
There's a dude trying to get in.
Okay. Oh, he's in.
Oh, shit.
Whoa!
Spicy. They might try to drop it down.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure they will.
Hopeful.
Oh, there's a guy on the roof.
Yeah, I can tell he's throwing shit in.
He's in, he's down. There's another guy over here. He's like 40%
I'm
HP.
reloading. There's a guy with a shotgun right next to me.
Caleb, it's a really, really fun game. What? Switch, can she even jump off there? Like, isn't she
Oh,
like
they couldn't
super
get it
old?
because I destroyed the floor and it
Fully on the
fell.
play.
Shoot bitches, get money.
Ah, purple's got it now. Okay, we gotta get up there fast.
That's all Meta
That still
knows.
might have won them.
Ooh. Yeah, there's no way though. Unless somebody else gets there. Like one of the
I'm
others
gonna get
did.
under it and drop it down below. I'm fast enough.
No!
To confirm the result.
I swear you have less time than the timer shows.
It did not
One
look
of our
like it was
teams have
closed.
just paved their way to
Yeah,
I feel
right.
it seems like once it gets to like 95%, it looks like it almost like slows down, but I don't think it does slow down.
It only it stops entirely if you're trying to steal it.
Interesting, okay.
I would almost rather just a timer instead of that circle.
A timer would be cool. All right, guys, we're gonna do the raffle. 10,
Raffle.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Pick a winner. Mr. Joker? Dude. Big rats. Where? Edge of Eternity Joker? Yay, Joker. Joker?
That looks like a good RPG.
It does look very good. Next one's gonna be Symphony of War, the Nephilim saga. I was gonna say Nephilism. The Snuffleupagus saga. Mod diff. Welcome to giveaways. You need to mod Streamlabs. Thank you.
I got C4.
C4's cool. Start giveaway? Started. English. That's not what I want to do.
Raffle? Raffle.
Raffle. Raffle. Enter that raffle. Win stuff. Do good things.
Raffle.
Mel, good luck with your water cooler meeting. I have faith.
Also, Mel, call your optometrist.
Yeah, Mel, and tell them you don't like water.
Yeah, Mel, call your dentist.
Raffle.
Raffle?
Raffle.
Just say when.
Oh yeah, hit it. Spin that shit, DJ.
Almost queued us up for a tournament.
Oh baby. Can't wait to get shit on.
The tournaments are, I think, 2 teams though, not 3.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
Yeah,
Interesting.
it's probably a lot more tactical too,
Yeah.
because you don't get third-partied all the time.
Yeah, true. Caleb, I'm doing very well. How are you doing, man?